All right, today and for the next few lessons, your challenge is to actually do a drawing using Google Draw. So to find it, you need to go to New, go down to More. So think of this as the hidden spot where all the extra goodies are kept. And then you go across to Google Drawings. I'm going to click on Google Drawings. Just wait for that to load. Now the first thing I'm going to do is give my picture a name, and today I'm actually going to draw a dog. So you can draw whatever you like, but this example is actually going to be a dog. So I'm going to go in here where it says Entitled Drawing, put the cursor on the right hand side by clicking the left mouse button, and then just going backspace. And I'm just going to type my dog. So my dog. Right, now I'm going to click down here. Now I'm going to use a series of rounded rectangles. So I just go up to this little area here and it says shape. So click, and my dog rather is going to look a little weird. I'm going to use rounded rectangles. So first of all, head of my dog, so like that. And I'm going to go and click again. Just keeps a series of rounded rectangles. Here's my dog's body. And I can keep going backwards and forwards. Rounded rectangle. And a leg. And just backwards and forwards. So shapes, rounded rectangle. You can experiment with whatever you like. Leg. Now I'm not that worried they're not all joined together because today it's just meant to be quick to show you how to make a picture out of shapes. Another leg. The key thing is when you're doing a drawing is you actually want to recognize that a shape is made up of smaller shapes. So you're taking advantage of Google Drawing to choose, whatever those shapes are. If this is your first Google drawing, so don't worry what it looks like too much. Right, now tail, so shape, and rounded rectangle. Now, we go across. Now, Bungie has her tail sticks in the air, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to turn it slightly. So this little pin sticking up, I can actually move the arrow so it turns to across, which means that spot is being selected. And I can mouse click left button and just tilt a little bit. And there's my tail, tilt it. And I can actually just move it up. And I'm holding the left mouse button down to do that. Right, now, I can go up here, I need an eye. This time I'm going to do a circle for an eye. Circle, not worrying too much about where it is. There, that'll do. Oh, need some ears. Oh, actually, you know what I'm going to do with the eye? Just click on the circle. Those squares show the eye selected. I'm going to go up here to this bucket, and it says fill color. So there's a bucket. And click on it, and I might just go white. So you can choose whatever color you like. So some ears. Go back to shapes. Click on the shape. Shapes, go across and eat triangles. Do one ear. Maybe you can change all these. And do one more ear. And I think Bungie needs a mouth. So I'm going to go up. Not text, not shapes, but lines. Now, that's a straight line. I don't want that. I want a wiggly line. So I'm going to go to this little triangle and it says select line. And I want to scribble. So this means that it'll draw a line exactly how I move the pointer. So scribble, and I need a bit of a smiley face. Not that dogs really have smiley faces. That doesn't matter. And clicking on the pointer just so I can deselect everything. And my dog is done. There you have a go. So just remember to, yep, no, that will do. Have fun.